If you're gonna do something wrong, you better do it right. Today, what we're going to do is rejuvenate these wood grain patterns, okay? Basically, what we're gonna do is brown spray can, closest to the wood grain color we can get. We're gonna blend it out. We're gonna let that dry totally. Once that's dry totally, we're gonna come back with a black spray can. A light coat of black, but the trick is while it's still wet, we're going to take a paintbrush and just kind of mimic the wood grain lines in the black finish. Clear coat it, and you're done. While it's still wet, start to blend it in. It takes a couple passes till you get the right technique that you like. While it's still wet, wipe it off before it dries totally. Now, once that dries completely, we'll put a coat or two, a clear coat on it. All that effect will be buried underneath the clear coat, and it should really pop out and make it look good.